only been associated with dance reality celebrity based shows, and I think fantastic. It's been a great experience because I love dancing. With India's Got Talent, that probably I would say is, if it's one dimensional, this is multi-dimensional, because there's so much more to see, so much more to offer. And even for me as a judge, I think for me to actually judge so many various different kinds of talent, I think is amazing. I learn so much, I see so much, and to see people from all over the country with such amazing talents and with such a thing in their eyes ki, you know, hame ye karna, hame wo karna, hame ye dikhana. I think it's just the experience is, and I'm really glad that I could be part of this show.
Judging India's Got Talent is an altogether different experience from Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Jhalak Dikhla Ja is about judging celebrities in the field of dance, whereas India's Got Talent is all about talent that comes from across the country and all kinds of talent. In fact, I think KK is much more equipped to answer about how it is to judge IGT, because she is almost the brand ambassador of the show. And in fact, Malaika and I had to take many leaves out of her grand repertoire of I would say knowledge that she comes with the show. So in fact, both of us have actually taken a lot of advice how to conduct.
टैलेंट किस टाइप का है वो थोड़ी बदलता है, लोग बदलते हैं जो अपना हुनर लेकर आते हैं. इट्स नॉट हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ, यू कांट हैव 550 टाइप्स ऑफ टैलेंट. यू हैव डिफरेंट पीपल हु कम विद टैलेंट. खूबी यही है कि यहाँ पर यू हैव रूरल इंडिया, यू हैव मिडिल इंडिया एंड यू हैव मॉडर्न इंडिया, एंड you have it represented completely and beautifully all through on this platform. In fact, India's Got Talent is a microcosm of India. छोटे शहरों से, गांव से, गली से, सब जगह से टैलेंट आता है. और जो हिंदुस्तान में आजकल बच्चे कर रहे हैं, लोग कर रहे हैं, पहले प्राचीन कलाएं थी वो दोबारा देखने को मिलती हैं. अलग अलग टैलेंट, हाउ डू यू जज दैट डाइवर्स टैलेंट all together?
Hey,